You've watched this video, so you're about to make a whole lot of money. How do I execute an email marketing strategy? All email marketing is not created equally. You think that every day telling somebody, here's how your emails sound. You can't use scarcity until you get me to desire the thing that you want. So we're gonna answer question number 2. How do I execute an email marketing strategy? We got to put that on the screen too. Like, well, I got to come across there. How do I execute an email marketing strategy to sell my course? All right, let's run the play. Let's go to it. Let's draw up the play. Let's draw up the play. So we're just gonna write email marketing. Email marketing, and this is 2, right? Sell. Email marketing to sell. Now, here's what we got to answer, fam. Can y'all see this? I think you can. Yeah, you're good. Email marketing to sell. All email, I'm loving this episode. All email marketing is not created equally. You think that every day telling somebody, here's how your emails sound. Hi, whatever the person's name is, I've opened up only 5 slots for my new such and such course or program. So you got some level of scarcity, but you can't make me, okay, I gotta look directly at the camera. You can't make me think I'm missing out on something I never wanted. Scarcity don't work if you ain't convinced me that I should actually have the thing. So only 5 slots left. Well, I don't want none of the slots. Best of luck to you. Be blessed in Jesus' name. You can't use scarcity until you get me to desire the thing that you want. So bad email marketing is when you start with scarcity without creating or channeling or directing desire. Desire has to be present. This right here is a social media post. So y'all gonna see this on the internet. You cannot use scarcity in your email marketing, your social media marketing, even your sales page or ads unless you are targeting people who already have a desire for the thing that you want. If there is Beyonce concert tickets, you can use scarcity because people want it. But if you're introducing a new course, a new program, and people are unaware of it, bro, there is no scarcity where there is no great desire and no great demand. So you've got the wrong marketing strategy for the thing you're selling. This right here. Okay, I'm back right here. So when we start talking about email marketing, we've got to first, and of course, y'all know it's more to this when I talked about marketing strategy, email marketing. This is broad view. You know your boy do this monetization and marketing, right? So broad view. There's about 8 different types of emails I teach in terms of whether you're talking about, Russell Brunson refers to one as a soap opera sequence. I've got a few different ones where one I call you had me at hello, where in the introduction of your first engagement when someone opts on your email list, meaning they've already opted in, it's the first email has to have so much value that is about the customer that they look forward to hearing from you again. That's you had me at hello. So whether it is you directing them to bonuses, incentives, things that you've already created, inviting them to a free event, something that is not front facing. So let's just say I've got a mentorship call that happens every Monday. You had me at hello overwhelms them with free. Like, hold on. Oh, I get all of this? People love cheat sheets. So if I say in my first email, you had me at hello would be, hey, I know how it is for someone to bombard your email every day asking you to buy something, do something, or click something. Here's what I've decided to do instead. I've placed a cheat sheet showing you exactly how you can use email marketing and social media. So I'm going to teach you how to do what I'm going to do. So every day, not only are you opening my emails, but you're learning how to use my same strategy to get people to open yours. That's you had me at hello. That email strategy is transparent, it's honest, and a person's like, okay, I don't mind opening your email, right? So there's several different types. But for selling a course, one of the best types of emails that I think you got to do early on, let's just say email 1, you're going to have to force a level of segmentation. If you met somebody at an event, well, let's say you went to a networking event and there were 100 people. All 100 are not people you're going to follow up with, but you need a way to segment what were the top 5 or 6 people that you need to do lunch with next week. So your first email should be forcing an action to get segmentation as fast as possible. So I would do something like this. I would pose a question to get them to answer. Email marketing, let's say if your course is on buying your dream house. Hey, person name, blank. Are you still interested in purchasing your dream home? I've created a blank, 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 blank that teaches you how to blank without having to do blank. If you want access to it, reply to this or click here. Their clicking of it should segment them to a specialized list based on the name of your course. You get it now? So now the only communication they get after that is information that's in your course, because you're still going to take written form content from your course and turn it into emails. So every day they're hearing what they would hear in the video. Don't think of new stuff. Take a small paragraph. If your course says, if one of your courses deals with social media marketing, let's just say if my course deals with email marketing, I could take a small paragraph and say, as long as the internet has been around, you can't even have social media without email marketing. So I want to show you how to make email marketing a part of your strategy to make more money. That's an email. But that same thing is also a video in my course. So I could take the introduction of my video and one point where I might have dealt with 3 of them in the course and turn it into email. Don't recreate the wheel. The best way to sell the course is to break it into pieces and use it in all forms of your marketing. Because don't nobody want to hear you market one thing and then they buy something and hear something totally different. All right, we've dealt with that. I think I broke that down. Did I give you the, did we draw up the play? This is the marketing and monetization play, all right? Question number 3. How do I use storytelling in my marketing to make it more engaging and to drive more sales? I like that one. We got to take that one. How do I use storytelling? Now, this is really good. I don't know if I'm going to draw up the play on this one, but I'll just kick it to you. I might drop a little bit of it. Let's do this really quick so you have a visual. So number 3, let's draw up the play, the marketing and monetization play on this. Number 3, how do I use storytelling? Storytelling. S-T-O-R. There we go. We had to sound that out. Hooked on Fun. It's kind of worked for me. I missed too many classes and I failed. All right. Storytelling to sell more courses. I'm going to draw this up really quick so y'all can see it. Here's a framework that I like to use. We're just going to write low with an arrow up to high. Here's one. And then we do another one right here. High. With an arrow going down to low. Now I just got to pause and celebrate something real quick. You can, to the average person, I think the real hack moving forward in this new space is to actually be great at what you do. You can't fake what I'm teaching you right now. You either know it or you don't. So this ain't no Google, you got to have that thing in you. When it comes to marketing and monetization, you have to know your stuff. So like don't nothing sell like actually being good at what you do. All right, so here's that. When we talk about storytelling, this is what I want you to steal. When you're trying to infuse your story, your message, your pain, your problem, how you overcame something. One framework of storytelling that I use and teach is low to high. So this is 1 where it starts with low, and this is 2 where it starts with high. Low to high is where you talk to them infusing the lowest point of your journey. Starting with no money, starting not knowing what to do, working a job you hated and want. So you start with the low point of your journey and the things that you learn to get there. So here's where you were when you started. First thing you did, second thing you did, third thing you did, fourth thing you did, and now where you are at the high point, right? So it becomes a process using your story. Now, high to low is a little different. This is where you start with the high point. Hey, what's up, family? I'm Marcus Barbosa. I've been able to build a multiple 7-figure company where now we employ over 15 people. We have multiple companies, 6 coaches, being able to help over 1,000 people turn their mind into money. That's being able to package the information in their head or the services they provide with their hands to create online courses that helps other people do the thing that they do. Right? You hear that? That's the high point. But it wasn't always that way. I remember when I started my journey having only $11.37, boom. Wondering how could I take all the knowledge, information that I have and be able to be a full-time entrepreneur, not just for the sake of being an entrepreneur, but because I know I wanted the freedom to be able to help more people. So the first thing I did was, see, we're moving up from low to high. You get it now. We started with high, went to low, and now we're going to first thing, second thing. Here's the biggest mistake I made that had me stuck right here, and you're going to take them all the way up to where you are now. That's how you use storytelling to sell your course. Run that play. All right. Now, Here's what we're going to do. I told you top 5, but I decided 3 is enough. You ain't even run the plays I gave you. ain't no need to drop no more plays. Those plays will be successful for you. Now, I'm going to be honest. ChatGPT can't do that. It's not going to tell you about no low to high, high to low. It's just going to write something generic. And I want you to make sure that you do not let AI take over your story, your nuance, your skill. Can't nobody do it like you. AI don't have no fingerprint. You are one of one. So I want you to infuse all that you are. Use it as an accessory, right? Use it as a side, not the main course. You're the main course, fam. So I hope you've got extreme value out of this. I can't wait to hear from you. Tell me what you think about these top 3 questions. Should we do more episodes like this, grabbing the top questions that people are asking and send in your questions? You can email us info@𝗕𝗂𝗲𝗏, or you can shoot your boy a DM. My social media drug of choice is Instagram, right? That's where I hang out now. I got a Facebook and YouTube, of course. So those 2 are my 2 social media drugs of choice. I hope that you've watched this video, so you're about to make a whole lot of money. If you need me, I'll be over here minding my online business. Until the next episode.